30 degrees real feel in Benidorm. No wonder everyone are out here on the Levante beach, and the marine vision boats are packed up with people. It is so hot outside that all the tourists and locals who have some free time, because we're heading straight road towards weekend, are enjoying a nice and lovely and hot, especially summer day on the Levante beach. Remember that Levante beach has some slippery stones inside, by the way, which is why there's also these yellow boards, yellow signs that are showing careful. It is a slippery area. So bear that in mind if you hate these stones and you don't want them to be anywhere near. Go to the Poniente beach or the Old Town Small Beach area. That's where you will be able to enjoy it without any kind of stones in the water, and it's not going to be slippery. Green flag today, and plenty of people are heading to the beach. A lot of people are bringing bottles of water, sun hats, sunscreen. Smell is everywhere we go. It's clean, it's neat and tidy. There's more seating areas finally being done out here. Something that we really needed, and we know a lot of our subscribers were mentioning it in the previous videos. And once we've seen you guys here on the channel, and once we've seen you live, people were saying, please put more seating areas. And these ones actually are here. All the columns with the brand new Gurnald lights, LED lights, out here do have the seating areas. As you can see, you can actually sit on these ones. But we would love to see these made with wood too, because stones are all right, but it's nice, but it's going to be very cold in winter and it's going to be very hot in summer. So wooden ones are the best solution. Even so, it doesn't stop people on sitting down and having a refreshing moment in the shade of the palm trees. Oh, there's an ambulance out here. I wonder if something happened. This is a private ambulance, by the way. This is not a public one. Maybe it's just a routine check. Maybe someone needed something. Who knows? But this is a private one. The beach library, as usual, here in front of the Hotel Sunbed. That's where the beach library is located. It is a place where you can read some fresh newspapers, magazines, books, play chess or any other board games or like table games. And also it's where you can get a Wi-Fi connection free of charge, which is why a lot of people are coming here. And it's a very popular place, mostly for older generations, to gather up together and enjoy a lovely view in the shade. Hotel Sunbed, we have a special relationship with this hotel because it was the first one we've actually made a full video about. It's a 4-star hotel, which is one of the few that have private swimming pools in some of the bottom part rooms, as you could have seen. Great place, and obviously one of those that are lucky to be on the front line of the Levante beach. A lot of movement in general. It's still slightly more than a week, around 10 days, maybe 9-10 days before May month is officially over and we are hitting June. Time flies so fast. It feels like a few weeks ago it was still beginning of spring, and now it's practically summer. And it definitely feels like it, even though the official summer will be starting on 21st of June. A lot of jet skis we can see. Okay, all right. A lot of jet skis. We've seen someone doing parasailing. Honestly, would not dare to do it. It's too high up. But there's people who love it, who are enjoying all the experience, and those who actually get it. We prefer stay somewhere on the ground, as close as possible. So other than that, there's also many other activities that you can do. The pedal boats, the ones, the colorful ones that you see out there. My goodness, they're going quite fast, don't they? Woo! The pedal boats, they cost 30 euros for an hour. I remember a couple of years ago it was 25. Now it's 30. Inflation, I guess. And for some of them, they do give you like vests in case you need it, especially like for smaller kids. but they don't have any kind of restrictions whatsoever. At least that's what was happening when we asked it last time. Lovely hotels. The inside hotel is a great place for all people older than 16 years old, recommended for older than 16. And also front line view. This one is fully refurbished. Before it was another hotel from Melia. They've changed it completely. They've changed the name, the concept, and now it's a gorgeous place. Very popular amongst tourists and visitors. So many people everywhere we go. Obviously, as you can see, the front line of the beach, yeah, it's impossible to actually get anywhere near the front line. I would say even second, third, fourth row. It's quite difficult at some points. However, so far we did not see the typical scene that we see every single summer. Maybe it's going to be better this year. Oh, I feel like we're too naive, but maybe this year is going to be better than that. We're speaking about the crazy place booking here on the beach. Sometimes even at 6 in the morning, we see people of older generations, mostly Spanish, that are bringing their sunbeds or their chairs mostly with an umbrella. At 6 in the morning here on the beach, they're putting them right on the front line, and then they're going away back to sleep for breakfast, to have walks, etc. And then they're coming back at some point, leaving again, and just basically using a space and leaving it unattended for the vast majority of time. So yeah, a lot of people feel like it's not entirely fair, but the reply to this is simple: not fair, not nice, but people are saying, yeah, well, wake up earlier and put your umbrella somewhere here on the front line. In any case, this is a very old issue that we all know here in Benidorm, but hopefully this year it's going to be better than that. And maybe we won't have this type of problem. Even so, even if it's not here, there's different spots here on the Levante beach where you can still find a place. And the beach is so wide. It's surrounded by all these lovely businesses such as the Heartbreak and many others that have everything that you need on every single corner of the beach. So honestly, you could go to whatever place here on the beach that you would find, and you'd find some space there to lay down, to, especially if you want to get a paid sunbed, you won't have any issues.
Fine, all good. Please come in Benidorm now. The weather is nice, nice sunshine. And please do not forget like and subscribe. Thank you.
Bien todo?
As usual, probably the best PR, public relations here on the entire Levante beach, working out here. We do have a very good relationship with a lot of people who work here in the area. We do know them. We always say hi. And we like when they say hi back and participate in our videos. The more we head to the old town, the more packed up it actually gets. But as mentioned previously, honestly, you can also always find a space right here on the beach. If you want like a paid sunbed, it's not a problem at all. Almost always you'll find on the first or the second row, you'll find some space. If you want to just lay down on the beach without the paid sunbed, obviously it might be slightly more difficult depending on the time of the day and the area that you choose, but you'll always end up finding a space out here. Ooh, really busy, and we know, all of us know what it is. These are the groups of older generations. They gather all together and they sing typical traditional Spanish songs. It happens here on the Levante beach, closer towards the old town. It happens on the Poniente beach a lot of times by the Dove Park. It depends a little bit, but mostly it's always somewhere by the shade, simply because it's getting slightly hot outside, which is also the reason why a lot of the bars and cafeterias here have put the umbrellas already. If before it wasn't the case, right now it actually is. More and more places are putting on some umbrellas in place because it's getting really hot. And a lot of the times around this time of the year is when the heat strokes and a lot of unpleasant health issues related with the sunshine do actually start. So bear that in mind. The best thing how to protect yourselves is don't go outside on peak sun hours. Don't stay hours and hours on the sunshine with your head exposed. Drink a lot of water, hydrate yourselves. Alcohol and cocktails do not count. Use some sun hat, sunscreen. I get that people are coming here to get tanned, but you can get tanned in the morning and in the evening. And for the rest of it, just protect yourselves from the sunshine. Trust us, as locals, we are trying to avoid the sun, direct sun at least for long time periods, as much as we can. And this is for a reason. Packed up Levante Beach, absolutely busy and incredible. Look at this. Wow. If you wouldn't be able to tell the date, you'd think that this is June, July months, but nope. This is actually the end of May still. Kids are still in school. It's still typical work days. It's nothing special. It is Thursday today, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it is Thursday today. So it is not the busiest day even, but that's how vivid it is, which makes us think that we were right about one thing. This year is going to be absolutely epic here in Benidorm town. One of the busiest you've ever seen. Let us know, what do you think?